Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. And am I excited? I got really wound up this morning. Remember this radio here? I just did a review of this a couple of days ago. This is from Jeff's collection, and it's a little transistor radio. Well, both Jim and another person claim there are no transistors in here, so I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, one of my subscribers saw that video and said to himself, I've got one of those radios. I'll send it to Tom. I'll give it to Tom. And yesterday it came. Here it is. Identical radio, except it's dark green where this one is red, but it's exactly the same. The part here is a little darker than this one. May need a little cleaning. I don't see any bad scratches or anything like that. And I want to thank Gary for sending me this radio. I appreciate that. But he said that the last time he used it, which was quite a few years ago, it worked. I tried it yesterday and nothing did. Not a thing. And so I was a little disappointed, and I'm sorry for Gary that it doesn't work, although he gave it to me. So he made a suggestion when I sent him an email and says, it didn't work. He said, why don't you try recording your attempt to fix it? That's a good idea. And plus we'll get to see inside and see if there are no transistors. So I'm going to attempt to do that. Now I'm not going to go very far. With my eyesight failing, I'm not into working on these circuit boards trying to fix components and replacing components. But I'm hoping, since he did say it worked several years ago, I'm hoping it's just a broken wire. Maybe from the battery holder, maybe the wire from the battery holder to the circuit board. Maybe that broke, and that's all. Okay, so that's what we're going to attempt to do that. I'm not going to do it live because it could fumble fingers me. It could take a while, but that's coming up. I just wanted to let you know. I wanted to thank Gary for sending me this radio. I really appreciate that, Gary. And have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.